Today is a wonderful day for hay and many other things, like hot air ballooning.
There's a hole in this balloon
There's
here.
a hole right there.
Look, we got a bigger hole now.
We'll seal that right up.
Oh, feel that breeze.
Look at the breeze. We got Speedy Gonzalez coming here.
It's a great view.
I'm in moto gear because I'm gonna go ride.
Look, I'm in the hot sack of air.
Got the chute in. Dan's over there, spreading it. Velcroing her up. Doing a good job, Dad. Thank you, Mark. Justin's
Mark Freeman.
doing what he does best. Nothing.
Mark Freeman.
You know you're not supposed to eat hay.
Mark Freeman. Mark Freeman.
I wore my dancing shoes. Bring the faster on just a little, Zan.
No.
Let's put the landing manual in here, right?
Never. Later.
See you in Kansas.
That's right. A couple more seconds on the balloon and they'll get a great fall. Like that. Uh-oh. Not good.
Moto time.
Nope.
Moto time. It's hot as hell. Love it. Got the bike just sitting at the top of the hill. Just launched the hot air balloon. Got some great hair going. It's wonderful. Wonderful. Anyways, just waiting for the guys to get here and then we're gonna crush it. We need some rain though. It's like riding through flour, but it's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. All right, let's crush this. The party has arrived.
What's going on?
Oh, you look wonderful. You missed a good balloon launch.
Oh yeah.
Ready to do some dusty motos?
I'm ready. Where is everyone?
Match will be here soon.
Oh yeah. Cool.
Then we ride.
What's that?
Then we ride.
Then we ride.
And then eat chicken wings. Dusty.
3 hours tonight.
The big 3-0 tonight.
Yeah.
Look at the dust. So dusty. Beauty night though. How was that first moto?
Dusty.
You know,
Really dusty.
a slight breeze would be okay. Or like a 10-minute rain.
Holy fuck.
So you're in need of a new clutch?
Badly.
Or just a new bike?
Bike's good, clutch shit.
Damn cowies. Look who decided to show up.
Hi!
Why'd you park down there?
It's dusty down here.
It's dusty everywhere.
Look at that.
Just look at it.
Look at it.
Take it all in.
Junk. Fucking junk.
Garbage. Mosquitoes. Dust City.
Tis a wee bit dusty.
What the hell's that sound?
KTM.
It's on your face.
Which one? The fucking knocking or the banging?
Makes so much noise.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, she ain't healthy.
Classic KTM.
I'm not really sure.
so dusty.